Yo, YouTube, what is going on? So, this video, as per the title, I'm going to be showing you today, guys, how you can get 20,000 free gems in FC Mobile. This is super easy, and it's going to save you a bit of money because let's just have a quick search in the App Store, how much gems actually cost in FC Mobile. Yeah, this is going to get you free gems, let's just have a look. I'm not sure if the in-app purchases will tell us because they're usually pretty vague. Yeah, they don't actually tell us, but trust me when I say 20,000 gems is pretty expensive if you was to try and purchase it in the game. And I've managed to find a redeem code, guys, that you can use, and it's going to supply your account on FC Mobile with these free gems. So you've got to use a mobile. I've got an internet connection, as you can see. And you've got to go to the following website, guys: www.robotcoupons.com. So robot coupons, guys, robotcoupons.com. So this is basically a codes website. They have loads of obviously coupon codes, but they have game codes as well. So you can literally scroll down this page and look for the EA Sports FC Mobile redeem codes, or you can just search it in the search bar at the top. Whatever you find easiest, just navigate your way to this page. And these redeem codes are limited in number, so there is a limited number of these codes. So don't come on this website thinking you're going to get millions and millions of gems. You can get 1 million coins, and you can get a bunch of points and packs, but we're interested in the free gems. Now you can get 20,000 gems in FC Mobile. So click on show code. Now, as I mentioned, because these codes are limited, and of course 20,000 free gems are pretty expensive, you will need to unlock your redeem code, guys. So pretty easy. You just got to tap this button, and this loading screen is going to count up to 100%. Now, I'm going to cancel this because I don't want to waste codes just because I'm creating a tutorial, but you're going to see a new page, guys, and it's going to tell you how you can unlock your free gems code. It will take you about 5 to 10 minutes. If this is your first time on Robot Coupons, you will need to basically verify you're not a robot and complete a couple of these like really easy tasks. They're all completely free, and it takes, like I say, about 5 to 10 minutes. But once you've done that, your code will then be revealed. So you just basically come back onto this site, and the code will be revealed, and you can literally redeem it in your FC Mobile game, and that will supply you with the 20,000 free gems. So that is it, guys. Pretty easy. You just got to make sure you verify yourself. So go to Robot Coupons and search for the FC Mobile page, and you can get your redeem code for 20,000 gems. And yeah, that is it. So smash that like button if you got your free gems. And yeah, I will see you in the next video, guys. So enjoy, and yeah, see you next time. Peace out.